Okay, guys, this episode or this video, I'm just gonna try to talk to you about this site that I learned my skills. It's on this site called Black Opal, right? So if you guys that watch my videos regularly, if you like my content and you want to go actually not just learn quantum computers on my channel, but you can also learn it on this channel, and you'll get a little bit more hands-on experience. Instead of just watching my videos, you'll be able to play the games that I play, right? Well, this isn't really a game. This is like a interactive learning tool, right? But on my website, I don't really have an interactive learning tools, right? It's just video. You just watch, right? So you can go here and you can learn about the quantum computer and actually learn it hands-on. I'm not getting paid for this. Black Opal doesn't pay me, so it's not like I'm being sponsored. This is another game that you could play. I think I did this video a few videos back. This is another one. Let me show you. I think you remember this. I do this game where right? Remember this game? I think this was 3 or 4 videos back. So it's more interactive. So it helps you. You know, it's always you're always able to learn faster if you actually do it yourself. Hands on. What else do they have here? They have introduction module, module. They teach you about superposition. It's 34 activities, and this one is 31 activities. They tell you about the basics of qubits, and this one 36 activities. Um, they tell you about quantum measurement, quantum circuits, quantum entanglement. And you see I passed all of these with the green check. I passed all of these modules. Green check, green check, green check. So I learned all of this. They tell you about quantum noise, green check, quantum control, green check, advanced, speed up, green check. I passed all of these modules and I earned my certificate. Quantum programming, they teach you how to do software programming, how to code a quantum computer, which I show you on my videos. I got a green check. Let me show you something else. Let's see. Let me show you the certificate that they gave me for completion. This is the certificate that they gave me. Let me show you that real quick. So I'm certified. I have a quantum computing certification from this website. Hold on, let me show you. Let me put the link. This is the link where they gave me my certificate. See, it says Black Opal Certificate of Completion, Quantum Professional, issued February 2nd, 2023, awarded to the Torian Plot. That's my name. And it says Certificate of Completion, Quantum Professional. It says the recipient understands the key concepts of quantum computing, such as superposition, entanglement, and how information is represented by qubits. They know how to build essential quantum algorithms, what they do, and how they're realized on real quantum hardware. The certification shows that the recipient has the core skills to participate in the quantum economy, issued by Q Control, completed February 2nd, 2023. So this is my certificate, verified, completed. So I'm certified. All right. And I showed you all of the skills that I completed, the modules and skills I completed. All right. So I just showed you. This is from a third party. This ain't from me. They telling you. I know. I know this stuff. Obviously. Um. What else? You got this interactive uh thing right here. But this is if you want to do multi-qubits, not just one qubit. You want to do 2, 3, 4 qubits. You want to practice. It's a little practice area, and you also can practice here. I'm waiting for them to open this up where they have a little sandbox, a little practice area where you can do coding, you can practice coding. But they haven't opened that up yet. I think the site is what, $20 a month or something like that. But I just think you would learn even more because it's more interactive. It's more interactive learning, you know. Um, and like I said, it's somewhere I went to get my skills. So and it taught me. It's just that I know how to teach it in a way where, like I said, even an 11-year-old can understand it. Somebody who's real young can understand. I know how to translate and make it where somebody a lot younger than me can understand it, or just somebody who's just not well adapted to quantum computers. I could teach it where they can learn it and teach it in a simple way. Let me see. Is there anything else I missed? I think that's pretty much it. I think I don't want to go into any of these modules because then they may say, you know, I'm taking their stuff. So if you want to learn this stuff, you're gonna have to go here and go through the modules and go through the skills section. You have to do it yourself. I don't want to put their content up on the screen. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for this video. I know it's been a little while since I did a video, so I wanted to come on here and do a video real quick and just be back. Me sign out. Let me see something. But yeah. That's it.